In this video, I'm going to show you how to color grayscale in Ibis Paint X. Now, the easiest way to do this is by placing a new layer on top of the grayscale artwork. So, you want to go to the bottom right, and then you want to tap on that layers icon. And from here, you want to select, of course, on the left, you can see like the plus button just below this image over here. When you tap on this, a new layer is going to pop up. Now, this layer should be placed above it. So, just like this, if you don't know how to do this, on the right, you can use that to move with your finger, of course, the layers. So whenever you've done this, you want to set its blending mode to one of these I'm going to show you. So tap on the layer. At the bottom here, you have blending modes. You want to set it to either color. So over here, if I scroll down, it's going to find the color. As you can see over here, color is color over here. This is what it is. And then you have the overlay. You could do overlay as well, or you could do a multiply. So multiply, let me actually find it. There we go. It's under darken. So you could do whichever one you want. Of course, it's going to look a bit different. Just go and find out which works best for you. You can do this later as well. Whenever you've done that, just go out and start painting over it. So if I select the brush over here, I'm going to use just this default one for now. And I'm going to change this to, for example, I'm just going to make let's just make his hair red. Okay, why not? So I'm going to make this brush a bit bigger, and you can then just start painting. And as you can see here right now, it's already kind of giving the colors in here. As you can see, it's looking like it's going to be good, but of course I may have to put on different layers to be able to do that. But essentially you get the point. You can then just go back into the layers and change this from overlay to maybe something else. Maybe like you could do multiply over here and then check how this looks. So in our case, this is not the best. The previous one was better. I could go to the other one I showed you, which was color as well. Let's see what this is going to do. There we go. This was an actual color over here. Maybe this is going to be the best one for our scenario, okay? So that's how to then color grayscale. I use that all the time. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.